how to fix voice chat not working in Roblox. If you want to fix if your voice chat is not working in Roblox, it is very simple for us to fix it. Now what we have to do to fix it is, assuming maybe you're using the app of Roblox or maybe you want to do it from your browser, just go to your respective account, go to roblox.com or maybe even the app and log into your account. Now do not join a game yet. What you want to do is, from the top right hand side you can see the settings icon indicating in the gear icon there. So click the gear icon that you see and now you'll find the settings button. Go to settings. From settings on the left hand side you want to go to the option privacy and content restrictions. From here under privacy and content restrictions you want to go to the option that says communication and click on it. From communication, if you are using the app version, you'll find an option called voice chat. So maybe that your voice chat is currently disabled. Select voice chat and enable it. You can also go to experience chat and make sure to set this to everyone, like direct chat and experience chat, even camera input. You want to allow the camera input for video chat as well, and so on. This way you'll be able to enable voice chat in Roblox and fix if it's not working. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.